student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal School, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a class for class 3 and today's topic is oral sheet practice. So dear student, I have practiced this class before and we practiced 1 to 5 long question. Today we will read the rest of the 7 question. So dear student, when I will say the question, you listen this very carefully, and when I will say the answer, say with me. So dear student, let's start. Question number 6. What is the abbreviation of the colors rainbow? What is the abbreviation of the colors of rainbow? Answer. The abbreviation of vibe gear. That means VIBGYOR. Again, the abbreviation of vibe gear. VIBGYOR. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. I hope you all understood this question. Question number 7. What type of art pencil do we need for sketching? Again, what type of art pencil do we need for sketching? Answer. For sketching, we need 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B pencil. Again, for sketching, we need 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B pencils. So dear student, question number 8. Listen this very carefully. Which color does the mixture of red and blue make? That means when we mix the red and blue, which color will make? Purple. Red and blue make the purple. So dear students, say with me, purple. Question number 9. Do you know how to develop the idea of drawing a picture? Again, I repeat the question. Do you know how to develop the idea of drawing a picture? Answer. I think drawing a picture is like building a house. A house is built bricks by setting after bricks. Similarly, a picture is created step by step. Again, I think drawing a picture is like building a house. A house is built bricks by setting after bricks. Similarly, a picture is created step by step. That means when we make a building, that means we set the bricks. Look, this is a brick. We set the brick for building. As like as building, this is the step of the building making. Like this, when you draw a house, this is also a step. It's called step. Everything is a step. This line is a first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step. This is the rules of drawing. Question number 10. What is full form of vibe gear? I have already said this and you will say with me. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Again, what is the full form of vibe gear? V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Question number 11. Do we need to maintain neat and cleanliness at the time of painting? Again, do we need to maintain neat and cleanliness at the time of painting? Answer: yes. We need to maintain neat and cleanliness. Again, yes, we need to maintain neat and cleanliness. Question number 12. Dear student, remember this very carefully. Say the process of painting a picture with pastel color. Again, say the process of painting a picture with pastel color. While drawing picture with pastel color, we should use the light color at first, then deep color with shading to complete the picture. So dear student, again say with me, while drawing picture with pastel color, we should use light color at first, then deep color with shading to complete the picture. You all know when you will color a picture, first give the light color. After that you will step by step you go the various kinds of deep color. So dear student, today I have completed the rest of the 7 question. I hope you all practice this question by watching and listening this video at YouTube every day and more time. So dear student, look at the board. You have a HW also, and your HW is a sailing boat without color. This is your RW also. Please do the assign HW and submit your HW every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm at your school ground. And dear student, don't forget to submit your HW because your SBA, city and diary marks also depends on your HW. Dear student, no more today. Abide by your parents. Thank you.